In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up or slow down a clip in Premiere Rush. Whether you're looking to create a dramatic slow-motion effect or speed things up to fit more content into your project, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive straight into the process so you can start making those adjustments with confidence. First, you'll want to open your project in Premiere Rush and head over to your timeline, where all your clips are neatly laid out. Now, take a moment to identify the specific clip that you'd like to adjust. Simply click to select it, and you'll notice that the clip is highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. This selection ensures that any changes you make next will specifically apply to that clip alone. Next, direct your attention to the right side of your editing workspace. You'll see a toolbar or panel there. Look for the Speed button, which is an essential tool for adjusting the playback speed of your clip. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the speed settings. This is where all your magic happens. You'll be presented with options to either speed up or slow down your clip, depending on your creative needs. If you're thinking of adjusting only a specific portion of the clip instead of the entire thing, there are a couple of ways you can do this effectively. You can use the blue range handles directly on the clip within your timeline. Just drag these handles to mark the start and end points of the section you wish to modify. For those who prefer another method, the Speed panel offers a range slider. You'd use it to precisely define the range of your clip that you want to change. It's flexible and allows for great precision, giving you complete control over which parts of your clip will be adjusted. Now, let's talk about the range speed slider, which is your main tool for altering the playback speed. If you're aiming to increase the speed, you'll want to move the slider to the right. Doing so will make the clip play back faster, effectively condensing the length of the clip because everything happens more quickly. On the flip side, if you're looking to slow down the clip, slide it to the left. This deceleration means that the clip will extend in duration as the actions play out more leisurely. It's important to understand that changing the speed also affects the clip's duration. A faster speed results in a shorter clip, while a slower speed elongates it. These changes allow for creative storytelling, whether you're highlighting a key moment or briskly moving through sections to maintain viewer engagement. And there you have it, a straightforward method to alter the speed of your clips in Premiere Rush. Experiment with these settings to see how they can transform your project and enhance your storytelling capabilities. Enjoy your editing, and remember, practice makes perfect.